Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Easy English Podcast, the place where we make English simple, natural, and friendly. I am Sarah.
And hello, everyone. I am Mark. It is great to be back. Sarah, you look very energetic today. You have a lot of energy.
I do, Mark. I love this time of year. It is January. It is the start of 2026. It feels like a fresh page in a notebook.
I know that feeling. A fresh page. No mistakes yet, just possibilities.
Exactly. And today, we have a very important topic. We are talking about your English goals for this year.
Oh, goals. That is a big topic. Sometimes goals can be scary, Sarah.
They can be scary if they're too big. But today, we will show you how to make easy goals, goals that you can actually achieve.
I like the sound of that. Easy is good.
Before we start our plan for 2026, we have a small request. If you want to learn with us this year, please click the subscribe button.
Yes, please subscribe and like this video. It tells YouTube that you are enjoying our conversation. It helps us find more friends like you.
Okay, Mark, let's talk about the new year. Many students say, "This year I will be fluent."
Yes, I will speak perfect English by December. I hear this a lot. Is this a good goal, Sarah?
To be honest, no, it is a dangerous goal.
Dangerous. Why?
Because perfect is impossible. Even native speakers make mistakes. If you try to be perfect, you will feel stress.
That is true. Stress is the enemy of learning. When I'm stressed, my brain turns off.
Exactly. So for 2026, we want to change the goal. Do not say, "I want to be perfect."
What should they say instead?
Say, "I want to be consistent."
Consistent. That is a very good word. Can we explain that for our listeners?
Of course, to be consistent means to do something again and again. You do not stop. You do it regularly.
Like brushing your teeth?
Yes, that is the perfect example. Mark, do you brush your teeth for 1 hour on Monday and then stop for the rest of the week?
No, that would be terrible. My teeth would fall out. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes every morning and every night.
English is the same. You need to treat English like brushing your teeth.
So small amounts of time?
Yes, 15 minutes a day is better than 5 hours on Sunday.
I really like that. 15 minutes is easy. Everyone has 15 minutes. You can do it on the bus. You can do it while you cook dinner.
Exactly. It removes the pressure. So, step 1 for 2026, build a small habit.
Okay, step 1 is a small habit. What is step 2? Because sometimes, even with a small habit, we get bored.
That is true. Boredom is a problem. Step 2 is make it interesting for you.
For me personally?
Yes. Mark, do you like reading business news in English?
No, I think it is very boring. I fall asleep.
So, if you try to study English with business news, you will quit. You will stop.
I see. So I should study with things I like.
Yes. What do you like, Mark?
I like football, and I like cooking.
Perfect. So, watch football videos in English. Read recipes in English. If you like the topic, you will forget you're studying.
That makes sense. It doesn't feel like work, it feels like fun.
Exactly. So, listeners, ask yourself, what are your hobbies? Combine your hobby with English.
Sarah, I have a question. What about speaking? Many of our listeners are shy. They want to speak, but they are afraid.
Ah, the fear of speaking. This is normal. Everyone feels this.
How can we fix this in 2026?
We need to change how we think about mistakes. Mark, imagine a baby learning to walk.
Okay, I'm imagining a cute baby.
When the baby falls down, do you say, "You are a bad baby, give up"?
No, of course not. We clap. We say, good job, try again.
Exactly. Be kind to yourself. When you make a grammar mistake, do not get angry. Just say, "Oops, I'm learning," and try again.
Oops, I'm learning. I like that phrase. It is very gentle.
It is. Let's practice some phrases our audience can use this year. Audience learning time.
I love this part. Okay, imagine someone asks you a question in English and you don't understand.
In the past, maybe you said nothing. You just felt shy.
Or you ran away.
Don't run away. In 2026, you can say this. Could you say that a bit slower, please?
That is a powerful sentence. Could you say that a bit slower, please? It gives you control.
Yes. Or you can say, I am still learning. Can you use simple words?
That is very brave. It shows you are honest. People want to help you if you are honest.
Exactly. People are usually nice. They will wait for you.
Sarah, let's talk about the middle of the year. You know, January is exciting, but what about April or May?
Ah, the middle slump. The excitement is gone. This is where most people stop.
How do we keep going when it is raining and we are tired?
You need a partner or a community.
Like a gym buddy?
Yes, if I promise you, Mark, that I will study, I will do it because I don't want to disappoint you.
Accountability. That is the word.
Yes, accountability. So tell a friend or tell us in the comments. When you say it out loud to another person, it becomes real.
Also, I think we should celebrate small wins.
Oh, I love that. What is a small win?
Maybe you understood a joke in a movie, or you ordered coffee in English and the waiter understood you.
Yes, those are huge moments. Celebrate them. Buy yourself a cookie. Feel proud.
A cookie is always a good idea.
So let's review our plan for 2026. It is a simple plan.
Number 1, be consistent, not perfect. Think about brushing your teeth.
Number 2, make it interesting. Use your hobbies. Don't read boring things.
Number 3, be kind to yourself. Mistakes are just part of the process. Remember the baby walking.
And number 4, don't do it alone. Find a partner or use this community.
That sounds like a plan that works. It is not scary, it is friendly.
It is very friendly. And remember, learning a language is a journey. It is not a race. There is no finish line.
That is deep, Sarah. No finish line.
It's true. You just keep getting better and better. You enjoy the view along the way.
I feel much better about 2026 now. I feel ready.
Me too. And we want to know about you, our listeners. We have a question for you today.
Yes, engagement time. Please go to the comments section. We want you to answer this question. What is one small habit you will start tomorrow?
Just one. For example, I will listen to a podcast for 10 minutes, or I will learn 3 new words.
I will read 1 page of a book. Write it down. Make a promise to yourself and to us.
We read all the comments. We love seeing your plans. It inspires us.
And if this conversation helped you feel calm and ready, please give us a thumbs up.
Share this video with a friend who is also learning English. You can be study partners.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We are so happy to start this year with you.
You are capable, you are smart, and you can do this.
We believe in you. Let's make 2026 a great year.
See you in the next episode. Have a wonderful week.
Bye, everyone. Take care.